Guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel, guys. So what we are doing right now, ito, nagprint tayo ng basketball jersey. The team name is Ola Kurt Kings. Yan. Yan yung ano niya, yung front and back nandiyan. Yan. Yung printer natin, Jedtech ang brand. So ito yung ano niya. Ito yung na-print na natin. So ayan, ito, ayan, we are still printing, guys. So dito sa atin, quality yung ginagawa natin, quality talaga, guys. So yung sizer natin is NBA cut din pagkatahi nito, guys. Okay, yan, basketball jersey na Ola Kurt Kings. Yan yung ginagawa natin ngayon, guys. So maingay pala yung motor kasi nandito rin tayo sa ano, yung shop natin is nandito lang banda sa may highway. Ayan, yan yung quality natin. So guys, thank you for watching, guys, and then I will post more content like this for basketball jersey like that. Yung service natin dito, guys, is printing and tailoring. Yan yung ginagawa natin. Ito yung quality talaga, guys, na ginagawa natin. So ayan, katapos natin dito, the next thing natin is i-heat press to. Pag na-heat press na, ano na rin, proceed to tahi na tayo, guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel. So kung gusto niyo ng tutorial for printing, for mga basic and then desktop na mga printing, meron din tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Just ano lang, guys, just visit our YouTube channel, and then mga videos, nandun yung mga tutorial natin. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe again. Bye bye.